Hello, everybody, and welcome to the No Makeup Show. I'm fresh out of the shower, and today, as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm cutting my hair because I'm just kind of over it and this damaged blonde stuff. And oh, baby boo, hello. So she's here to help me cut my hair and drink my tea. So there's noise going on inside, that's fine. So we're just gonna do it, you know? I'm not following a tutorial. I used to cut my hair all the time, but I'm wanting to cut it to there, maybe? I don't know. I just want it to be shorter. I wanted to chop it all off and then, oh, this window's going to be a problem. I wanted to chop it all off, you know, properly, all gone, short, but decided to wait to grow it out so that my natural hair color can come back, and this wind is going to be a big problem. I might have to move. I just want to change my hair. I'm bored of it. It's over. I'm all done with it. So we're gonna cut it today. It could be terrible, it could be great. Most likely the first thing going to be terrible. Hopefully I don't cut this and lose my mic forever. She's adorable. Love my baby so much. So we're gonna see how it goes. So I've got a towel to go over my shoulders because I don't have anything else. I have a plan. Do your job. Got it. My hair is parted where I part it normally. Had my hair cut enough times to kind of know what I'm doing. And also cut my own hair enough times to kind of know what I'm doing. I have some hair clips to do things with. At least I'm not doing this with kitchen scissors and I actually have hair scissors and a comb and things. I'll start by cutting like this much off and then seeing what's going on. This towel is making it harder. I think we're going to do this without the towel. All right, let's do it. Cue it. Oh, my battery's going to die. This is fantastic. I'm going to get my phone and record on my phone and maybe move around a bit. We're on the phone now. Hi. So let's get to cutting. Let's do it. I'm not too sure what to do, but no going back now. Can tell how much I care. Okay. And not mad yet. We'll see what happens. Could be terrible. Could be the worst thing I've ever done to my hair, but now I'm missing a whole bunch. And you guys can't see anything because of the way I've set up. Let's move somewhere else. Okay, we've moved. Back in it with the scissors. Oh, it's looking quite bad. That's fine. We'll just attack it more like this. Yes, okay, let's do this side. Try and get it the same length. That's terrible. That's not the same length at all. Oh, Heather, what have you done? What have you done? I can't see. Hello, Bella. All of the cats coming to join in today. Now I can't see, so I'm just like, because the sun's right in my face. Just right there. Oh, my baby! Hello! Hello! Oh, and here comes Holly! Now these aren't cutting. Let me go get the other ones. Got some water. Wet this hair again. Make it just a little more manageable. Perfect. It's so much shorter on this side. That's fine. We just chop away at this side then. Didn't want to make it this short, but okay. So lovely. Who cares? It's just hair. Isn't that wonderful? It's just hair, so it grows back. Do what you want with your hair. I need to shorten this side now. Look at that. That's quite terrible. I'm getting there. Slowly. I mean, leaning forward like this also doesn't help the situation. Cutting my hair blindly at the back there. No clue what it looks like. Disaster. I need a sip of tea. Next one. Oh my goodness, the amount of hair I've cut off. That's where I've cut it to. I've cut off this much hair. That's a lot more than I was anticipating. Whoopsie poopsies. If I can cut my hair, so can you? Don't listen to me. Probably don't do what I'm doing. Yeah. All right, let's wet my hair again because it's easier to work with when it's wet. There we go. Comb it out. Comb, comb, comb. I'm just making it all one length and don't really care too much. Alright, shall we just go for it and cut the rest of this off? I think so. Clip this out of my hair out of my face for now. Wet that hair again. Comb it. And cut it. I'm having too much fun. Look at what's happening behind me. Are you girls playing or are you being nasty? Are you playing or being nasty? I think they're playing. We've got a lot of work to do. Got to make this look cute. It's fine, I'm totally on it. This is cute. I like it. All right, let's fix it. There's so much hair down the back of my shirt. There's probably so much hair in my tee. Yeah, there is. There's a lot of hair in there. Kind of like this long piece, but we're going to get rid of it. I'm covered in hair. I have absolutely no idea what I've done at the back of my hair, but I'm going to shorten up the front a bit. Ooh, it was a lot. Whoops. Do the same on this side. There is so much hair. I've lost the comb. Where's the comb? There it is. I'm starting to go red from the sun. Cute. I like it. I don't know what it looks like at the back. I'll show you guys. Ba-bam! Is it all right? I don't know. Should I call my mum to help me? Maybe. Let's call my mum to help me fix the back because I don't know what it looks like back there. Not a clue. But I think this is pretty darn cute.
Oh, look at you! What's the difference?
I know, I wasn't going to cut it this short. What's the back look like?
It needs it's a bit raggedy.
Okay, can you fix that for me, please?
I'll try.
Thank you. Look, Mum, we match. Fixed?
Quite a few other bits around here. Perfect.
So that's that. Cut my own hair and it looks pretty darn cute, if I say so myself. My mum helped clean up the back. I'm blind now. I've been staring into the sun for like 30 minutes. But yeah, that is that for this video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about cutting your own hair. Have you tried to cut your own hair during lockdown? I mean, the reason I'm cutting my hair is not because I can't get a haircut, but because I have social anxiety. I don't want to go and sit at a hairdresser and have someone cut my hair. Pooparoo. Look at how beautiful you are. Alright, so I'm tired of being blinded by the sun. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!